Whisk yourself into the future. The year is 2024. A world where advertising is not just a monologue, but a dialogue. Welcome to the era of affiliate marketing. In this brave new world, every click, every view, every purchase matters. The humble affiliate marketer is the new age storyteller, weaving tales of products, services and brands into the fabric of digital life. Imagine a world where every online interaction is an opportunity. An opportunity to influence, to persuade, to sell. That's the world of affiliate marketing. From the passionate sports blogger promoting the latest high-tech running shoes to the foodie Instagrammer raving about a new organic grocery delivery service, affiliate marketing is the unseen thread connecting them all. The game has changed, but the players remain the same. Entrepreneurs, brands, influencers, all dancing to the rhythm of clicks and conversions. So, take a moment. Listen to the clicks. Feel the pulse of the digital marketplace. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing in 2024. Brace yourself, the future is here.